Hey everyone! This is the fourth video in the series of 1200 plus idioms and phrases. Beat your heart with crazy music of English with us. Subscribe and press the bell icon for instant update of our video. Our first phrase of this part is as hard as nail. Meaning extremely tough and aggressive. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ भावना या संवेदनाहीन. In sentences it's used as when necessary she could be as hard as nails. Next phrase is as true as steel. It means absolutely correct, not untrue in the slightest. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है भरोसेमंद. In sentences it's used as they say that actions speak louder than words, and that's as true as steel when it comes to politics. Next phrase is at a discount. Meaning not valuable or not in worth. हिंदी में गुणहीन. In sentences it's used as a good many at a discount books are available in the market. Next phrase is at a loss. It means to be puzzled or uncertain what to think, say, or do. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है पूरी तरह से उलझन में. In sentence it is used as she became popular and was at a loss to know why. Next phrase is at a premium. At a premium means the one who is given more value. हिंदी में जिसे ज्यादा महत्व दिया जाए. In sentence it is used as dishonesty is at a premium in almost all spheres of life. Next phrase is at an arm's length. It means avoiding intimacy or close contact. हिंदी में अपने से दूर. In sentence it's used as he has long fought to keep the government at arm's length from big business. Next phrase is at cross purposes. It refers to misunderstanding or having different aims from one another. हिंदी में विरोधी. In sentences it's used as we had been talking at cross purposes. Next phrase is at daggers drawn. It means to be bitterly hostile towards each other. हिंदी में शत्रुतापूर्ण. He was as daggers drawn with me. Next phrase is at large. It is used especially for a criminal or dangerous animal, at liberty, escaped or not yet captured. हिंदी में पकड़ से बाहर. In sentence the robber was still at large. Next phrase is at loggerheads. It is used for violent dispute or disagreement. हिंदी में शत्रुतापूर्ण. In sentence it's used as councillors were at loggerheads with the government over the grant allocation. Next phrase is at odds. It means to disagree. हिंदी में विचारों में विरोधी. Mohit is at odds with those who find God only in temples. Next phrase is at one go. At one go means at once. हिंदी में एक बार में. In sentences it's used as he will eat the food at one go. Next phrase is at one's wit's end. It means totally confused. हिंदी में पूरी तरह से उलझन में. He was at one's wit's end when he lost his wallet in that unknown town. Next phrase is at random. It means without method or conscious decision. हिंदी में बिना कारण के. He opened the book at random. Last idioms of this video. At sea. At sea means to be confused. हिंदी में उलझन में. In sentences it's used as I was at sea when I found many questions out of my syllabus.